aja ba? Aku aja. Aku nanti ya. Good morning guys, welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Dusit Thani guys, puntaingan nyo. Meron kaming lights and sound setup ngayon guys. Ito yung si Mustang guys. Baba muna namin yung mga gamit guys. Ito yung hire naming lightman ngayon guys. Guys, baba muna namin yung mga gamit guys. Yan kami pupunta guys, yan sa loob guys. Yan, mamaya ulit guys. Ayun guys, tapos namin mababa yung mga gamit guys. Natin na ng idol guys. Idol. Ayun guys, mamaya ulit guys. Tapusin mo namin ano to guys. Ate doon sa venue guys, doon sa loob. Yan na yung venue guys. Nigo mga idol eh. Ha? Ito na yung una nating light stand guys. Yan. So doon sa kabila yung isa. Doon. Tsaka sa kabila naman yung isa guys. Bali tatlo lahat yung lights na nagamit natin guys. At tsaka yung ano, yung tickboard natin dyan guys. Yung tickboard natin para may wag yung light mana mo guys. Bakit cute ba? Be, pakitang gilas ko naman na be. Gi. So yun guys, ito na guys, natapos na lahat yung yung setup natin. At ito na yung outcome ng ating decor guys. So courtesy of Cebu's Best Wedding, GHA Sleep Wool, at saka Joby Lights and Sound guys. Ganda guys. Ay guys, maya ulit guys pag umpisa na yung program natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the celebration. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the program. We will now begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. don't worry. Here we go. A pair of shoes or sandals. Wow! Now it should be from the audience. Go! Take your seat. Take your seat. Get one chair. Wow! There we have it. Again, you. Wow! Lower.
We would like to thank everyone for joining us tonight. I really wanted a small and intimate wedding, just to have close friends and families, and to have people who actually care for us. And I think we got that tonight. And again, I just want to say thank you. I know that some of you, my tita actually flew miles. She came from the other side of the world just to join us tonight, and I really appreciate it.
Of course, our official photographers and videographers, Anthony Senko, RR Films, Dusit Tani Sapper Crew, thank you so much. Our sounds and lights, the resident fan, thank you so much. Our on-today coordinators, my DJ Charlie. Ladies and gents, once again, I'm very honored and delighted to be your host tonight. My name is Errol Lordy CSA. Have a good night and enjoy the rest of the evening. It's a good night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Once again, let's welcome back the resident band. Thank you, it's a good night.
Buta na, buta. So yun guys, natapos na naman yung event natin ngayon guys. Liligpit muna kami sa aming mga gamit guys. Salamat sa panonood guys ha. Sana sa sunod nating vlog ay nandyan pa rin kayo guys.